Hi there, welcome back. Dory Sukap here, and I am going to discuss with you the bright idea for this brand new year. I discussed in the note earlier that my bright idea is all about how to be more productive rather than busy. So I want you to take this exercise. I'm going to go over here with you in just a second, and I want you to discover the value of your time, because the reason you get busy is because you end up doing work that does not accommodate the value of your time, and that's why you end up doing things that you have no business doing that you need to be delegating. So the first step is to figure out what the value of your time is. So it's very simple. Let's say you work 50 weeks out of the year, and then you work, let's say, 40 hours a week. I know some of you entrepreneurs probably work a lot more than 40 hours, but let's just be conservative. So 40 hours. So if we take the 50 weeks and multiply it by the the 50 weeks of the year. So if you take the 50 weeks of the year and you multiply it by the 40 hours each week, so you have 2,000 hours of availability in 1 year. So people tell me all the time, I wish I had more time. Well, guess what? You don't have more time. You just have to be more productive. So here's how you figure out the value of your time. So let's say you want to make, let's say you're just starting out and you want to make $100,000. So you take the 100,000 divided by the 2,000 hours. That means the value of your time is 50 hours. Well, that sucks. You don't want to you don't want to do that. So let's go up higher in numbers. Let's say you want to do $1 million in a year. You take that and divide it by 2,000. That's $500 an hour. That's more like it, right? But we were talking about stepping into the multiple millions of dollars. So take that exercise. Let's say you want to make 2 million or 3 million or, even 10 million. I don't know. So that's like $5,000 an hour. So figure out what that number is for you. So how much revenue, how much income you want to make, and then divide it by those 2,000 hours. And that's going to give you a number. Why is this number important? It's important because anytime you find yourself doing a job that doesn't at least pay that much, then you should not be doing that job. So if you're still cleaning your own house, that you can hire someone at, I don't know, I pay Edna $150 to clean my condo. She's amazing, by the way. I love my Edna. You should have an Edna too. But instead of me cleaning the house, I have somebody else, because the value of my time is a lot higher than me having to sweep and mop and clean the house. So that's not happening. So you need to figure that out. Or if you're doing little jobs, even in your facility, that don't require you to do them because you can hire somebody else to do them, then you should have somebody else do them. And that's how you become more productive. I want you to look at your calendar, let's say for the next couple weeks. See what's on it. And if you find things on it that are not of value of that hourly rate, then you need to delegate it to somebody else. Now, some people tell me, well, but Dory, I have nobody to delegate it to. There's always somebody to delegate to. Go find you an intern that wants a career in the med-spa industry, or wants to become a nurse or a nurse practitioner or whatever. They're going to school. And you can get a lot of people to work actually for free for you. So if you're near a university and you don't have the manpower to help you, then go and find an intern to come and help you. If you already have a team, then it's time to review position descriptions and skills and talent, and start delegating some of those things to the people that are able to actually do it. And that's how you become more productive and less busy. You don't want to kill yourself. I see so many people that are working so hard. They're doing the treatments, they're running the business, they're doing the marketing. I just met one of those people at the Empire Medical Training the other day. She's like, I'm just going crazy. I work like nuts. I don't get to see my family. I'm like, well, whose fault is that? It's like, you need to make changes. make changes. So that's my advice to you. So figure out the value of your time, check your calendar, start delegating, be more productive, and focus on the things that will help you impact your business so you can step into the multiple 7 figures. Sounds good? All right, you guys, stay tuned for the Dory Recommends, and until then, stay inspired.